There is a lot of people making games in 1 minute, in a couple of hours, in 100 days, or even a year. But today I am going to be making a game in just 1 second. Yes, 1 second. So let's open Unity Hub, create a new project. I'll give it the name, for example, 1 second game. Then we're going to select, I think, 2D. Actually, no. Let's select 3D because it's nicer. And yes. Now let's create the project. Now I have to wait until Unity creates the project. It usually takes above a minute. Okay, here we are. We only have this environment, this skybox, but we don't have much things here. You may think that making a game in 1 second is impossible, but you're not right. So to make this amazing game, I'm just going to create a new sphere in less than a second, and the game will be completed. So 3, 2, 1, right click, 3D object, capsule, and that's all. In less than a minute, you can see we have a perfect game. You can do a lot of things. Obviously, I could sell this game on Steam or in Google Play Store, and I would become rich. If you would like me to publish this game in any platform, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. This is all for today's video, and bye bye.